So.
What'd you do? Get another car? If you jumped in the Suzu?
Yeah.
What kind of? What did she get? A red one?
Mm-hmm.
How'd she get that one?
Calvin gave it to her.
Damn. What kind of fucking deal is that? Hey,
Family special.
Yeah. Hey, who gets the money out of Suzu?
I don't know.
Calvin's gonna ask for that.
Probably.
I gotta stop being so nosy, huh?
I'm recording.
What?
I'm recording. But I'm gonna go over the. There it is. Okay.
Alright, let me know.
Now the trim button is good.
Alright, you gonna start over?